Dito ginagawa itong blend na ito, tinatawag na Cortus Calax. Tara, tanong tayo. Na-late lang ako ng konti, siguro mga 2 minuto. Pagdating ko, ubos na kanilang stock. Kaya kailangan ko maghintay ng 30 minutes, no? Para matapos uli ang another batch ng tinapay na ito na kanilang ginagawa. Sayang, 2 minutes late. Last 2 minutes, hindi ko inabot. Pero hihintayin ko talaga to. Kalain nyo mga kababayan, isa lang pala ito gumagawa nito sa buong Pilipinas. At hindi ko akalain na ang may-ari pala nito, nakilala ko rin dati galing sa Boracay. So, makakausap natin siya.
No, okay. My name is Andre. I'm from Romania. I came in the Philippines 4 years ago, and once the pandemic started, my wife gave me an idea. Why don't we make her favorite dessert from Romania?
Okay.
So her favorite dessert is this. It's called Curtosh Calax. Is a sweet bread from Dracula's place from Transylvania. The whole story behind it. She first tried it long time ago in Dubai. And I told her, just wait until you get to Romania and you'll see the real taste of Curtosh Calax. So, when she tasted in Dubai, she liked it. But when she tried it in Romania, it's like, wow, something that she loved it. So that was the difference between like and love.
Okay.
And luckily, we have a Lola that has this business back home. And we ask her nicely to give us the recipe, and we tell her that we want to bring it in Asia, we want to bring it in the Philippines. So she agrees. If it's not in Romania, she will give it to us. So that's why we have the recipe. So the whole story with Curtosh Calax started. We first opened in Haniwai, and because most of our guests were coming all the way from Iloilo, driving almost every day to Haniwai to get the product, then we decided to make it in Iloilo also.
City.
So
Why in Haniwai? Why?
we live in Haniwai.
Okay.
So we live in Haniwai, and we wanted to do something close to home. And we were surprised that how many people loved it.
Yeah.
And we came to Iloilo.
So you're the one personally preparing all of
I
this?
prepare from A to Z, and everything. That's why it's fresh every day, freshly baked, freshly made. Most of the time, as you see, I run out of product because it literally sells like bread.
What time do you open here?
We open every day from 7 a.m. We open every day from 7 a.m. and we close at 6.
And you cannot make a volume or massive production.
I don't want to make because they are best consumed.
Yeah.
So, like bread, they have 72-hour shelf life, but we recommend everybody to consume it right away.
Okay.
You just buy as much as you need to eat once. Don't buy bulk just to have.
And
It's still good. Same with the bread. If I buy, let's say, if I buy a bread today and it's fresh, it's good. If I eat it tomorrow, the bread is still good, but it's not as good as when it's fresh.
Yeah. How many pieces can you produce in one day?
I can do around, let's say, between 200 to 300 pieces. The staff is trained, it's well trained, so the staff can do exactly what I do, except the recipe itself.
Yeah.
So, but they do it better than me. They grill it better than me because they grill more than me.
Yeah.
They roll it better than me because they are let's say little Curtosh Calax experts. No, Kürtös Kolács itself, it has very few flavors. We invented most of the flavors here for the taste of Filipinos.
Filipino.
So we have mango graham because everybody loves the mango float. We have almonds because a lot of Filipinos love the almond. We have Oreo. Oreo, actually we did it because of my kids. Because the kids love Oreo,
Yeah.
so I did it also. Then we decided to make the savory because a lot of people were saying that they want less sugar or like
Yeah,
they are diabetic. So this one don't exist actually in Romania. People don't do it. So we did like pizza, pepperoni and cheese.
Some
We did
modifications.
cheese. We did cheese and Italian herbs. We did a lot of people I saw here. They like pasta. Pasta they eat pesto. So I invented black olives, pesto and cheese. The original Kürtös Kalács, it's classic, cinnamon, peanuts, and coconut. That's the four. Probably we have, but I haven't seen it here. Poppy seeds. Poppy seeds are the black seeds, similar with chia seeds. So those are the only 5 most common flavors of Kürtös Kalács all over. I don't want to say all over the world, but let's say all over Europe. And everything else is custom made for the Filipino market.
Yeah.
So we did, being already 4 years in the Philippines, I got acquired with the taste, with the spices of Filipinos. So we learn. As of now, all of them are moving, let's say, in the same way. But my best seller is cinnamon. Why cinnamon? Because it goes very good with coffee. So that's the story.
What makes this something unique and special kind of bread?
Why makes it unique? Because we are the only one that makes it in the Philippines, and I can say probably we are the second one in Asia. I know there are some people doing it in Japan, but other than that, I haven't seen anything online.
The ingredients is almost the same with other breads. You're using
The
the same.
ingredients is almost the same with other bread. What we put a little extra
Yeah,
and a lot of love.
a lot of
A lot
love.
of love. So, and what happened? I wanted to make it as traditional as possible. That's why you will not gonna see us in malls
Yeah,
because I'm grilling with charcoal.
yeah. So the preparation.
So this is the most traditional. The only thing I changed, I made an automatic griller because before people were doing mano-mano
Yeah.
by hand. So I did it. I modified. I did it electric, but we grill on charcoal because this is the traditional way. So if you see it in malls, probably let's say in Japan they do it in malls, but they do an electric griller.
Yeah, but this one, they're saying that this is the bread being grilled because some are preparing the bread.
In the oven.
They're putting it in
Yeah,
the
we do
oven,
it
but
in
this
the-
one is a literal grilling
Grilled
with the
bread.
charcoal.
People call it in Philippines lechon tinapay.
Yeah, lechon tinapay.
Because if you will see now when I cook it, it will actually look like lechon belly.
Yeah,
But when I started, my first customers always come because it's lechon belly, and I thought it's not lechon belly. Just try it.
it's a lechon tinapay.
It's lechon tinapay. So
Andre, how do you pronounce it again?
Kürtös Kalács.
Again?
Kürtös.
Kürtos?
Kürtös
Kalács.
Kalács.
What's the English meaning of that?
English.
That's a Romanian.
Actually, the name is Hungarian. They use the
Hungarian.
Kürtös Kalács. The English translation will be chimney cake.
Chimney cake.
Chimney cake.
Ah, that was the feedback so far.
Yes, we were blessed and lucky that Filipinos love sweet bread.
Yeah.
When I came to the Philippines, it was hard for me to adjust because we eat bread almost every meal, but we don't eat the sweet bread. And it was hard for me to find salty bread. So that is our luck because Filipino loves sweet bread.
Right.
Please come and taste it. We have 2 locations in Haniway. We have 1 location in Mandurriao.
Kaya kung gusto ninyong matikman ang Romanian bread na ito na nagmula pa sa lugar ni Dracula, nag-iisa lang sa Pilipinas at sa Asia, magtungo sa kanilang pwesto dito sa Guzman Street, Mandurriao, Iloilo City.